Welcome to your GigaPress Client Portal Guide. If you're new here and just created your GigaPress hosting account, this quick tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know, from logging in to managing support tickets and updating your billing and contact details. All this stuff in just a few minutes. Let's start with how to log into your account. After you successfully created your GigaPress hosting account, we sent you an email, and that email includes a direct link to your client portal. Go ahead and open that link. Once you're on the page, click the Login button at the top right. Now you're going to need to log into the GigaPress Client Portal using the credentials provided when your profile was created. Simply type in your registered email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard page. Basically, this is your main hub, where you can manage support tickets, review your contact and billing information, confirm the services we are providing, and more. So now, let's talk about how to open and follow support tickets. From your dashboard, look for the Support tab and click on it. You can request assistance from our support team by clicking Open Ticket. Then fill out the subject and message. You can also attach any relevant files or screenshots to help us assist you better. Once everything's filled in, just hit Submit. To follow up or check in on existing tickets, including their status and responses from our team, go back to the Support tab and click on Tickets. You can also access your tickets directly from the dashboard by clicking the text box that displays ticket info, or by scrolling down to the section that shows newly opened or recently updated tickets. Now let's go over how to manage your payment and contact information. From the dashboard, click on the Billing tab. This is where you'll find everything related to your payments, invoices, and account info. Click on My Invoices to view all the invoices we've issued for your services. You can see which ones are paid and which might still be pending. Here on My Quotes, you can view your quotes saved under your account, or you can request one by opening a new ticket. In the Mass Payment and Payment Method section, here you can set up recurring payments, manage your payment details, or update your contact info. If you click on Payment Methods, you'll be taken to the Management page. Under Account Details, you'll be able to update your contact information, billing address, and email preferences. So, if your email or phone number changes, this is where you go to keep things updated. In the User Management section, you can authorize other users to access your client portal. Just click Invite New User, enter their email address, and choose the specific permissions you want them to have. You can give them full access or limit them to certain sections of the portal. Finally, in the Payment section, you can set up your payment method or update it in case of a failed payment. Now, from your dashboard, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a button that says Log into WordPress. Just click that, and it'll take you straight into your WordPress dashboard. No extra login steps needed. Just a single click, and it's going to open your WordPress dashboard. As long as the user ID and password of the WordPress SSO user are not changed, this button will work. And once you've logged in, you can also create additional users if you want to add your team. And that's it! You've now got a better understanding of how to use the GigaPress Client Portal.